In this video, I will show you how to screen mirror your phone to your TCL Google TV. Now, over here, I have a Redmi Android phone, but it doesn't matter the type of phone you have. Whether you have an iPhone or any Android phone at all, by the end of this video, you should be able to connect and cast your phone screen to your TCL Google TV. Now, to do this, simply, you want to first of all, make sure that both your phone and your TCL Google TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So, in my phone over here, if you scroll over to the notification center, then come over to the Wi-Fi settings of my phone, you can literally see that it is connected to iPhone 13 Sam, which is basically the hotspot of my other phone, but I'm using as my Wi-Fi in this particular case. And if you come over to my TCL Google TV, then scroll over to the Wi-Fi settings over here, you can also see that the TV is also connected to iPhone 13 Sam. So basically, both my phone and my TCL Google TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. And finally, you want to come over to your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, then head over to the App Store of your phone. So go ahead and open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone. Then make sure you search and download this app that is known as Google Home. So make sure you go ahead and download and install the Google Home app into your phone. It is available on the iOS App Store and the Google Play Store. So just download it. Now, once the Google Home app is done downloading, you want to go ahead and open it up directly from here. Now at this point, you have to sign up if you're using the app for the first time. So just go ahead and click on Get Started and then click on Next. And then click on Allow. Now go ahead and sign up using your Gmail. In my case, I'll just select my Gmail over here and click on OK. Then click on Next. Then just go ahead and click on Allow. Click on Next. Click on while using this app, turn on Bluetooth. Click on Allow. Once you get to this page, what you just want to do is to come over to the bottom tab over here and then just go ahead and click on Devices. And from here, you should be able to see all of the devices and TVs that are connected to the same Wi-Fi as your phone. Now, what you just want to do is to go ahead and select the name of your TV. In this case, this is actually my TCL Google TV, and I actually call it the living room TV, and you can literally see that over here. So I'll just go ahead and select it just like so. And from the bottom over here, you can literally see the cast my screen option. Just go ahead and select it and then click on cast screen. And then once you click on the allow button, automatically your phone will be mirrored to your TCL Google TV. And as you can see, it works absolutely well. So I can go ahead and start playing games and start watching videos, viewing images, and even playing music from my phone, and it will be displayed on my TCL Google TV over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.